I am again Lisa and Nida. Today I am with Ate Nida.
Hello.
And today, pumili po kami ng new guitar. This is my new pastime, my new best friend, my new joy. But the real joy is Jesus over you. And we are in the park, enjoying our day. Ganon. Kami po ay nag-practice po ng kanta yesterday. Nag-search po kami ng awit. Ang pamagat po ng kanta ay, yes.
Oh Jesus, agyaman na.
Yeah. Oh Jesus, agyawanak. Thank you, Lord. This is for you, Lord. And this is for you also, guys. Pasensya na po sa boses. At pasensya na po the way we strum and play the guitar. Kasi hindi po kami expert like you. Let's begin. Hindi ko alam kung nakatune in yung guitar. Napatig nga darang basbasol ko naugasan pusukin panunod tingkay nalusan pinaliwang timan banag itinain langitan narod kapsat ko narod kapsat ko akunin di tapuso Jesus agyaman. God bless us all. Enjoy your day.